Hi, my name is Gemini Dhar, and as everybody knows, I work with women and children, and I'm really passionate about the growth of women because I believe that you as an individual can make a huge difference. You are nurturing a family, you're nurturing children, you have your own life, and you join two families. That's your after you get married or before marriage. So there are a lot of responsibilities that women go through, and most of the time they feel very tired of taking responsibilities. They are very tired that, oh my god, I have to do this, oh my god, I have to do that. And these are the things that really bog you down, that is it me only, why am I so indispensable, why can't people manage without me? So I believe that I've been a woman who's gone through all phases of life, right from being extremely lazy to being money minded to having done crores of turnover in business and to falling down and having nothing and then starting from scratch again. So in my journey, when I was from a kid to my whatever you say crores of turnover, I realized that my life was full of stress, anxiety, and it was all in my head, because I could have lived the same life with a lot of joy, a lot of understanding, a lot of proactive decisions I could have taken. I could have done a lot of things to change the way my life was going, but I did not. I kept on and on and on and on, cribbing about life, and there came a time that everything went shattered and I had nothing. So when I had nothing, I decided that I need to create everything again. And for creating that, I really worked on my inner beliefs. I worked on my belief system. What do I think about? Why do I think like that? And what can I do to change that thought process? And in that, Afin has been really the guiding force, because when I went to his seminar, I realized that there is something more. There's an unmasked potential in me which I can really change. And I use that potential to empower women and children, to make difference in other people's life. And today I'm at a conference where there are more than 200 people, and they come to me and say, Gemini, I love the way you express. Gemini, I like the way you help people. Gemini, this. So I've heard n number of things which are good about me, which were there in me all my life, but I didn't feed them. So there is a negative part of your life and there's a positive part of your life. If you feed the negative, it's going to grow and your life is going to be darker. If you feed the positive, it's going to shine like a sun, So I have really experienced the sunshine by doing my personal development. Personal development is not how you talk, how you walk, how you present. Of course, that's part of your character, but that is outer. When you learn how to think, when you learn how to believe, when you learn how to dream, that can completely change your results. So if you have got any ideas in your life that you want to implement, you want to grow, and if you feel your life is not going to the direction that you want to, then you need to take charge of your life. Taking charge of your life, the first thing you need to do is take responsibility. I am responsible for what happens to me. Good, bad, ugly or fabulous, it's in your hands. So if your life is not going in the right direction, or you're not happy with what you have, or you believe you can do much more but you haven't got it so far, you need to take charge of your life. I believe taking charge is a core thing that every child should be taught, right from the age of 5 to the age of 55. You have an opportunity to create the life of your dreams. If you want to, take responsibility and take charge. Thank you. This is Gemini Dhar signing off.